Ollie Dabbous, and we're here at Hideaway in Burlington Arcade. It's a little pop-up that we've just set up for Christmas. Hideaway essentially is coffees and croissants, oysters and champagne. I guess a little bit of a treat if you don't want a high street offering with something a little bit more boutique, a little bit more special. Setting up anywhere, whether it's 12,000 square foot behemoth of a restaurant or 1,000 square foot pop-up, demands a lot of energy, a lot of emotional investment. So I think the timescale made this one harder because it was a Christmas pop-up. There was obviously pressure on us to open as quickly as we could by sort of mid-November. At Hideaway, there are definite space restrictions, also restrictions about extraction as well. So the TurboChef was ideal in that it's kind of self-contained. I believe there's a catalytic converter on the end of it or something similar. So there's no fumes, no extraction needed, so obviously you don't need to spend a fortune on the system. And it just does everything we need it to do very simply. You push a button, put the product in, a combination of hot air and microwave, so you get a crunch on the outside and a melting interior. So for us, case in point, a croque monsieur, you get the same result every time. It's not going to burn under the grill or cook too long in the oven or dry out. You get a really moist interior and a crisp outside. So any reheating product, you literally press a button, put it in, and it comes out exactly how you want it. Hate to use the word idiot proof, but it's as close as you can get to that. At a coffee shop, which this essentially is, people want to be served quickly. The TurboChef does that, whether it's warming up a croissant or doing a croque monsieur quicker than a conventional oven and with better results than what you could do in a microwave. The TurboChef can be easier to clean and maintain. I think there's only about 3 bits that actually come out of it, so pull them out and it's oven cleaner in the evening and then oven guard the morning we start work. Both processes take about 5 minutes. The TurboChef isn't a huge bit of machinery, which is key, and especially if all the programming is done beforehand, you can literally itemize it from heating up 3 croissants to 1 croque monsieur to 2 scones or whatever it may be. We chose for a matte black model. Looks very smart, very sleek. It's nice not having any kind of hard reflective metal or anything that looks very industrial. It just melds into the background. The other good thing about the TurboChef is it doesn't emit a lot of heat, so you could potentially have 3 of them in a busy sandwich bar or something like that, and the working environment would still be a cool one. So good for the rest of the products so they don't heat up, and good for your staff. For Hideaway, Taylor managed to produce a TurboChef on very short notice. Given the lead time for this project, we didn't quite have the preparation time that we usually do. The oven was delivered on time, pre-programmed. I'm a bit of a technophobe, but I managed to set it up and use it fine, and the whole process was very straightforward.